Yeah. Oh no. Oh no. We gotta get it up. Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, I'm with the club. Right now, we're on our way to see Bob. We actually brought a lot of stuff for Bob. After we meet up with Bob, we're going to ride around just a little bit, and then we're going to head over the hill through Ortega to Lake Elsinore, where I got a fun place to take you guys to eat. You guys notice I never use my clutch when I shift? Very rare. Very, very rare. I gotta get around this dude. Club's being pretty chill today. Wonder what he's up to. Lots of bikes. What's going on, guys? How are you? Nice to meet you, buddy.
Hi, Colleen.
Hi, Colleen. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What's up, dude? Love the shirt.
The bales, she should have came in her sidecar. I know, I gotta get one. What's the plan?
Ride around for a little bit and we'll go over to Elsinore. I got a spot picked out. Where'd you guys come from?
Pagoda Hills.
Where's that at?
Right by Mulholland.
Here, you guys want a key tag?
Yeah.
Sure. He's got yours.
Which,
You
pick
gotta
one.
say it right.
Whatever.
Which one?
Yeah, this one. Thanks, man. Or at least go smack.
What's up, Bob? Bob's got somebody's pro trolling. Super low rides. There's stuff, dude. There's stuff. Hernandez Auto Detail. You better come wash my shit. We got a note. This is your boy from good old Colorado. I came to visit my lady friend and told her we need to make this stop. I've been watching your moto vlogs for years and I've been convinced to get a crotch rocket even though my lady says not to. Good man. Stick to your guns, son. Much love, Daddy Austin. Ride safe and keep an eye out for dickheads. I'll do that, man. Instagram. There you are, man. There's the plug. There it is. Follow this guy. Dude, thanks for this. Always like the heartfelt notes. All right. We got
Bob's gonna have some sticks.
Bob's got stuff under the hat. Play with his cock a little bit. Under the bandana. Smart.
What about the Jonesy sodas?
I'm gonna pass on the Jones. I'll do a Red Bull though, I think.
Okay.
What is Sundrop? That looks all right. I bet that's Squirt, huh? It's gotta be.
What are you talking about, dude? What are you doing?
I'm gonna get Pac-Man Red Bull. All right, Lake Elsinore. We're all gonna go? You're gonna come? You don't show your face? Hold on. All right. Dude, we got a big group.
Oh, you're gonna do it?
No,
You would.
I'm not going. Are you doing it?
Yeah. What are you, pussy?
He already crashed. He wrecked so hard just now. You all right?
Game over.
Did you destroy it?
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh no. We gotta get it up.
Cracked, isn't it? How come that all came out?
You broke the stator.
Shit.
He destroyed the bike.
Did he really? Who gives a shit, dude? Let him get it back to my house and let's go get your bike. Come on.
You want to ride the Triumph?
Yeah, dude, and I'm gonna try again at that hill. What is this shit show?
Let's not wreck this one now.
Okay.
The old Triumph. Good looking bike. See it, and it's reasons like this is why I still have it. Do it with dually. You guys following Do It With Dan's dually build? I am. I usually don't like shit like that, but he's doing a really killer job with that thing. It's not fun to hit you knowing it's my bike. I guess I can tell you about the place that we're going to today. I don't know, I was looking for a place in Lake Elsinore. I wanted to ride with my friend Rob a little bit, and he's on his way to Palm Springs, and figured have some lunch, then let him break off and go to Palm Springs to meet up with his other buddy. So the place we're going to, it's called Annie's Cafe. This place has been around since the 80s. Before it was Annie's Cafe, it was something else, some burger place. And it was pretty successful. It was owned by a diehard motorcyclist who tragically died on Ortega highways. The dude's wife was left to run the place, but the passion was gone at that point. She just wasn't into it. So she sold it off to some other people who pretty much just ran the thing into the ground, didn't really give a shit, stopped paying the rent and stuff. And then Annie's family came in and bought it, and it's been a family establishment ever since. It's growing, people are into it, super fun atmosphere, and their food looks amazing. It's like home style cooking, which you guys know I like. The current owners have had it since the 80s, I believe, and no doubt in my mind we're gonna have a good time. It's one of the highest rated and most reviewed restaurants in all Lake Elsinore. Everything all right?
I'm just hooking up my camera.
You got a YouTube channel?
No.
All right.
I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, you do? Yeah. What's it called?
It's on the back of my helmet.
I can't read it.
Well, you gotta follow me. Come get me. Come chase me down.
You want me to chase you down?
Yeah. If you want to know, it's up to you.
Never mind.
What?
Never mind. I saw that dude had a camera. I was gonna give him a little YouTube love, but whatever, man. Don't be a dick to the people you come across. You never know who they are. The Lookout.
Hey, you know who owns this place? Mark Zuckerberg. I'm spying on you right now, dude.
All right.
Would you ride your dirt bike in there?
That's where we ride, dude.
I know.
It's like Canyon Lake and stuff over there.
That's all.
Whoa. That sucks. That's crazy right there. The delinquent in me wants to knock all these over, but the sensibility part tells me that I'm gonna break my hand doing it. A little barbecue place up here I've been to. It's good. It's a real good spot. I need to put that place in a video. Just go and buy it. Smells good. I don't know who won. It's in there. Somewhere in here. All right, Annie's Cafe. Proudly serving breakfast and lunch since 1987. His house. Thanks, guys. Bye.
So thanks, man. That was fun.
Let's do it again.
Yeah.
Annie's Cafe, what'd you think, dude?
It's pretty decent.
What'd you get?
The stuffed pastrami burger.
Would you get it again?
Yeah,
Would you recommend it?
I would if you're very hungry.
Right on. What about you? What'd you get?
I got ham and cheese scrambled, and it was delicious.
Nice.
Yeah, I got a tuna fish salad pizza taco. I'll never be back.
You got a Monte Cristo. I had that open-faced turkey sandwich. Not real impressed. The total bill between him and I, which was the Monte Cristo, the turkey sandwich, and the hot chocolate, $33. I'd be back, but I'd order something different.
Yeah.
I guess we're parting ways?
Yeah.
Well, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Hope you guys had a good time. I know we did, minus the one broken bike. All right, guys.
All right.
Enjoy.
Yeah. All right.